Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss that how we can add, drop, rename a check constraint on an existing table. Okay, let's see. First, let's create a sample table. Create table. Suppose price. Inside this it has ID. We can assign it as serial primary key. Uh, After that, suppose some product ID integer and it will not null. That we need to insert a product ID must price in numeric, uh, which sets not null, and discount, suppose numeric not null, and suppose means date error type. Okay, let's create this table first. Is it create or not? Yes, successfully. Oh, from date table created. Oh, date, that's it. Query written successfully. Now let's see the table here. Is it has price. Here you can see that the price table with zero constraint, there are no constraint. Primary key only primary key constraint is there. Okay, suppose let's add first a constraint to a price. We know that the syntax for adding a foreign key constraint is same as this. No, not foreign key, add constraint. We need to alter table name is price, add constraint and constraint name, add constraint. Yes. Add a constraint. Mm, Suppose we know that then how PostgreSQL give a name to constraint the table name underscore column name. Suppose we are assigning a constraint to that price table. Okay, price underscore check. Okay, or we can add multiple constraint in a single way also. Okay, let's add one by one. Let's see how we can add one by one. Here in check we are checking the table value with price. Price must be greater than 0 like this. Okay, this is a single way. Okay, if I use here price check name only, and inside this parenthesis we can use and keyword and pass another constraint to. Okay, let's see. Suppose price is greater than 0 and discount is also greater than 0, and here we know that price must be greater than discount, otherwise we need to sell a shop. Price greater than discount. Okay, and suppose okay, that's it. Okay, add this constraint to our existing table. query returned successfully. Here you can see that if I refresh this, the constraint is added, price check. Okay, now check by inserting the value, insert into price value. Let's select all not null column, PID, price, discount, and from date. No need to specify that. Okay, let's insert values for it. PID 1, price suppose 23, and discount suppose 21, and that's it. Let's insert this three value. Select star from price. Let's see. Yes, 123 and 21 is added. 123 and 21 is added. Let's insert this value as a big value greater than this. Okay, we're giving that it to highlight foreign key constraint that filling row contain. Okay, let's make it small, 21. Let's insert this. Okay, let's insert minus price, -2, and is -1. Yes, -2, -2. Here, yes, it to highlight a constraint. Okay, now what if you want to drop a constraint? So now we know that we can right click on this and delete and drop a constraint directly. Just type it. So we can drop, we can are using a query also. Okay, let's see, alter table price, and what if I use only drop constraint and constraint name, drop constraint and constraint name is price check. It giving me an error because uh, it is not identifying that on which table that we have to delete a constraint. The table is price. Okay, let's run the query. It giving me an error. That's it. Okay, so specify the table that we want to change, alter table, on which table. This is the proper syntax, alter table and table name is price. So drop constraint, price check, and the constraint will be wrong. Okay, okay. Before this, let's see how we can rename a constraint. Suppose we know that how to rename a column, alter table, table name is price, alter table, table name, alter column name, rename to price. Like that we are using. Okay, but here we need to rename a constraint so that we know that after for dropping also alter table, table name, we know that the table has price check constraint, so there is no need to specify every time column also, so we can directly use a price check also. So rename to, like rename to, no, first which constraint we have to rename, that price check, rename price check to which, to new name. Suppose price check constraint, price check constraint. Let's see it one work or not. Okay, let's run this. Yes, price check does not exist. Alter table price, rename constraint it taking price check as a column. That we need to tell that this is a constant. Yes, rename successfully. If I refresh here, price check constant. Okay, now we can drop a constraint, and there is another way also. You can right click here inside properties, and here you can give a new name to constraint price check, and if you hit here save, yes you can. Or here also one more thing, sorry, if you right click here and inside properties, if you give new name here to constraint con, here the SQL is automatically created that is similar to this alter table public dot rise public is a schema name dot rise column rename constraint price check to price check constraint. This is the same, the SQL is automatically generated. That's it. This now you can say that refresh price check constraint revert back price check. Let's run refresh the price check not work not working. Why? Oh, price check to price check constraint, there is no price check, so price check constraint to price check. Now it work. If you refresh here, okay, it works. Okay, now drop a constraint. There are many ways you can drop from here, or you can drop using query. Also drop constraint and constraint name. Now constraint name is price check. Let's drop constraint. If I replace here, the constraint will be wrong. Yes, that's it. Thank you.